In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under liquidity ratio and stock exchange financial institutions for your JAMB economics. So we have about 2 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, buying and selling of shares is a function preferred mostly by the real merchant bank, stock exchange market, discount houses, insurance companies. The right answer is option B, which is stock exchange market. Next question, which is the last question, is this one. It says amount of assets that a bank is allowed to hold in liquid as a proportion of its total deposit is. We have option A, liquidity ratio, bank rate, special deposit, special derivative. So the right answer is option A, which is liquidity ratio. So guys, this basically can deal with problems under stock exchange and liquidity ratio for your JAMB economy. So practice with 2 repeated questions for this subtopics. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to be a question at the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that a part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your external exams like your JAMB and other external exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click the end screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.